and welcome. Today guys, I'm going to be sharing with you all my review for this Haturi cheese grater and zester. So I'm going to open this. So in the package we have the grater, and this is what protects the grater. This is the cover for it, and here we've gotten a little brush. Now this is the first time I got one of these and I actually got a brush for it, so this would help during the cleaning process. Now I'm just gonna give this a rinse and I'll come right back and show you guys how it works. Make sure every time you always buy new stuff, you want to make sure and rinse it with soap and water before using it. So I'm gonna start by grating some cheese. And with little effort, you see how that's grating really easily. It's just gliding on the blade. So the next item I'm going to try is the nutmeg. And you see how it's grating really easily. These blades are very, very sharp, I must say. So next, let's try the garlic. Now you want to be careful when you reach the end of the garlic, because as I said, the blades are so sharp you wouldn't want to cut your hands. I'm going to try something that's very popular in cooking, ginger. And it's actually grating it very fine, just like how I like it. Next, let's try zesting a lime. And it's doing a really good job. So this has so many uses. You can use it for, as I showed you, cheese, garlic, nutmeg, ginger, lime, lemon, whatever you want to zest, whatever you want to grate. This is a really multifunctional tool that would work with a lot of ingredients. So if you guys are interested in getting one of these, now these microplanes are very expensive if you were to buy them in a high-end store, and you can get it on Amazon, and I will also be leaving a coupon code down below in the description box together with a link for where you can purchase this. So thank you all for watching, and I hope you guys go get one. It's something that everyone should have in their kitchen. Until next time, goodbye.